Hello, Miss Morris? Yeah, I was just about to send you the reports.
Was just calling to say hi. We've been so distant lately. The whole quarantine and working from home has gotten everyone stressed out.
You're so right, but it'll be fine.
How is working from home going for you?
Work is okay. It's my home life that's stressing me out at the moment. But I'll be okay.
Anything I could assist with? You know you can always swing by if you want someone to talk to.
Swing by your house?
Sure. Unless you're afraid of me. You're not afraid of me, are you?
No, no. I mean, you are my boss.
And
Hmm. Yeah, I appreciate it. But I'm sure things will work out, man. My wife's been laid off and she doesn't seem to want to go out and find something else, you know what I mean?
some women just don't know how to handle a good man.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Miss Morris.
Don't be so formal. Call me Raquel.
Raquel? Okay, Raquel. Thank you so much for calling.
You know where to find me if you need me.
Why is it so dark in here? Aren't you making dinner today?
I'm not feeling so good today. Couldn't we just order something?
Order something? You've been in bed all day, and we should spend more money to buy food when you could have gone downstairs to make something?
If I wasn't feeling sick, I would have made dinner. I don't know what the big deal is.
I like bread. I like bread and then bread. I want to eat it.
You hungry?
Mm-hmm.
Even the baby is hungry, and you're talking about sick. Aren't you sick of not pulling your weight around the house? Aren't you sick of depending on me to do everything? Really?
What are you talking about? That's so unfair. Like, we've been together for 20 years. This is the longest I've ever been out of a job. Like, I've been sending in resumes like every single day. But because of the pandemic, like, what do you want me to do? Like, seriously, all you gotta do is just support me. I don't get it. Like, I just don't get it.
Well, I'm sick too. I'm sick of all this foolishness.
So you don't say good morning anymore?
Oh, good morning.
I made you your favorite breakfast.
Oh, I'm not feeling hungry right now.
Can we talk about last night?
Honey, I really can't talk right now. I'm very busy. We can do this later. Can this just wait until later?
Okay, suit yourself.
Hmm.
Dinner is ready, guys. Babes,
Yeah?
did you hear me? I said dinner's ready. You coming?
I thought you were sick.
I am, but I mean, just want to get up and do something. I feel a little better today. Not 100%, but I mean, got enough strength to do something today.
Well, I'm meeting with the boys tonight. We're gonna grab some drinks and just get some fresh air, you know?
So you didn't want to eat first?
No, I'll grab something while I'm out.
So, you made a big deal out of this last night. I don't cook, I'm not doing this, and now you're telling me that you're going out with the boys tonight in the middle of the week? Okay. All right. So so that's how you're dressing to go hang out with the boys?
Yeah, what's wrong with it?
Nothing. It's just that you know, when we going out, you're very comfortable in white tees and jeans, but you're going out with the boys and you're in dressed buttoned down and okay.
Honey, you're making a big deal out of this.
I am
We're just gonna have a drink.
with the boys,
So what?
No.
but when you go with the wife, you be in white tees.
But it
and
depends on
jeans.
where we're going, though.
Oh, okay. So where you going?
I don't know yet.
So you don't know yet. So
No.
you dress. So why you dress like that if you don't know yet?
Derek is coming to get me, man. What's wrong with you?
Oh,
I'm not sure yet.
okay.
All right,
Oh, you.
don't wait up, okay?
Okay. Have fun. I love you.
Oh, you.
Oh, hell no. Ooh. God.